Hello students, happy morning to all. Let's start the today's session. Chapter 1, Numbers, Continuation, Exercise 1.6. Okay. See the first problem, children. Along with me read. Try to open my locked suitcase which has the biggest 5-digit odd number as a password. Comprising the digits 7, 5, 4, 3 and 8. Find the password of my suitcase. How to do this, children? See, the given digit is 7, 5, 4, 3 and 8. We don't know the password. We are supposed to find out the password. And they've given the hint as biggest 5-digit odd number. You know the concept of odd number? Yes. What are the odd numbers, children? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are the odd numbers. That is, the number ends with these numbers are called odd numbers. Yes. See, the biggest 5-digit odd number. So, in the given digit, you have to arrange the number in a descending order. What do you mean by descending order? From bigger number to smaller number. Here, what is a bigger number, children? 8. Then 7. Then 5. Then 4. Then 3. So, you have to write like that. Then it is the password of this suitcase. Is it clear? They have given one digit. They ask you to find out the password and they have given as a hint. It is the biggest 5-digit odd number. What is the meaning of here odd number? Because the last, in the ones place, it is ends with 3. So this number is called as the odd number. Is it clear, children, this problem? Shall we move on to next problem? Yes. This is the homework problem, children. Okay. You have see, they have given some states and their population. You have to write both ascending and descending order. I think it's a very easy problem. Okay. Do this problem, children. It's a homework for you. Then read the third question. Study the following table and answer the following questions. Actually, it is the data given the year and the number of tigers in the respective year. Is it clear, children? Then, what is the first question? How many tigers were there in 2011? By seeing the table, you can write it is a 1706 tigers were there in 2011. Then second question, how many tigers were less in 2008 than in 1990? How to do this problem? First, you have to write number of tigers in 1990 is equal to 3500 and the number of tigers in 2008 is 1400. What is the question they are asking? How many tigers were less? So less, it is a meaning that you want to do subtraction. So 3500 minus 1400, you will get 2100. So when we want to compare with 1990 and 2008, the 2100 tigers, it is less from, I mean, it is very less count from comparing to 1990 to 2008. Is it clear? Then third problem. Did the number of tigers increase or decrease between 2011 and 2014? If yes, by how much? How to do this problem, children? You have to write down the value for 2011, then 2014, that is number of tigers in 2011 and 2014. See the data. If it is increase means you should find out how many number of tigers. Okay, the answer is it is increased only. The number of tigers is 520. Is it clear? You should write the two number of tigers, that is 2011 how many tigers are there and 2014 how many tigers are there. See that data and find out the value, that is how many is increased. Okay, how to do it? You have to do the subtraction only. Is it clear? Hope you understand this problem. It's a very easy problem. They have given one collection of data. By seeing the data, we have to find out the answers for the given question. Is it clear, children? Yes. See the fourth question. Mullai Kodi has 25 bags of apples. In each bag, there are 9 apples. She shares them equally amongst her 6 friends. How many apples do each get? Are there any apples left over? How to do this problem? What are the operations you want to do this problem? Let's see here. Children, I mean the operations, it is nothing but addition you want to do, or subtraction, or multiply, or division. Okay. Step 1. Number of bags available 25. Number of apples in each bag is 9. So what is the total number of apples? You have to multiply 25 into 9. So 9 5s are 45. The carryover is 4. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 it is 22. So total number of apples in 25 bags is 225. How she can share the apple to her 6 friends? How to find out that? What operation you want to do? You have to do division. Very good. See step 2. Number of friends is equal to 6. Each friends get is equal to, that is each friend get is equal to 225 divided by 6. You will get 37 apples. Children, you want to do the division part here. Okay. So when you are doing division, you will get quotient and remainder. Yes. The quotient for this problem is 37 and the remainder is 3. So how many apples are left over? What is your remainder? 3. So there will be 3 apples left over and each friend get 37 apples. Is it clear, children, this problem? In this problem, we did 2 types of operation. In the step 1, we did multiplication and step 2, we did division. Is it clear? Then last problem. A poultry has produced 15,472 eggs and fits 30 eggs in a tray. That is, each tray there are 30 eggs. How many trays do they need? How to find out? Number of eggs produced is 15,472. Number of eggs in each tray is 30. So you want to do division. You will get the answer of 515. That is, quotient is equal to 515 and the remainder is equal to 22. So that remaining 22 eggs can occupy in a tray, because in a tray 30 eggs are there, so the remainder is 22. We can say that the 22 eggs can occupy in a tray. So it takes one more tray, no, to occupy the 22 eggs. So what is the total answer? Your quotient is 515 plus one more tray it is needed. So you will get 516 trays are needed to occupy 15,472 eggs. Is it clear, children? The fourth and fifth problem, you just do the division part and see whether you're getting this quotient value. Okay, through the notes I will send the division part. Is it clear? Are you thorough with this 5 problems? Yes, children? Is it clear? Yes. Children, with this chapter 1 gets over. Hope you enjoy this full chapter. Okay, just practice the problems. Thank you, children.